Samsung, real happy with Apple lately. Apple's iPhone 11 success gifts Samsung a hidden victory. This is via Forbes.com. We've talked about it a little bit, Will, how the iPhone 11, 11 Pro, possibly exceeding expectations for sales and success. People seem to be into it. Camera module, camera talk, people on Twitter. A lot of iPhone stuff going on. People feel like it's the upgrade time. People feel like it's a Pro.
Deep Fusion.
It's a Deep Fusion thing.
Just came out today or something like that.
Sweatshirts thing. Or no,
What's it?
Christmas sweater type of thing. You know
Right.
Christmas is coming up, Will?
Oh, really?
Yeah. It's not too far away. You got to do Halloween first, though.
Mm-hmm.
You got your costume ready to go?
Yeah. No, I don't.
Okay.
I'm not dressing up.
Well, you had me convinced there based on your
you dressing up?
response. You did a great. Of course I am.
As what?
Tim Cook with the AirPods.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you see that one there. It was too easy. Well, you know this. Samsung supplies the displays for all those iPhones. They supply something around 90% of the displays for those iPhones. So a hot iPhone is a hot Samsung. And that's what's really weird, particularly for a lot of tech fans that root for one company or the other. It doesn't even really work that way. Samsung's cheering for a hot iPhone just like they're cheering for a hot S10 or a hot Note series. And that means if you're an Apple fan, you're a Samsung fan, whether you like it or not. If you like looking at your display, you're a Samsung fan. But it makes sense. Samsung makes these great displays, OLED displays, difficult to make. Apple does have some other suppliers, but those other suppliers currently only capable of meeting the requirements of about 10% of those shipments. In the third quarter, ending September, the display firm supplied 22.2 million units of 5.85-inch and 6.46-inch panels for Apple iPhones, 3.9 million in July, 8.4 million in August, and 9.9 million in September. The supply volume in September in particular is 40% higher than initially planned, which was 6.9 million units, so they went up to 9.9. So us getting these figures, not only does it expose the fact that Samsung, it's a major win for them to have a successful iPhone because they get all these sales on the displays. The display, one of the most expensive components in the entire device. But it also exposes to us the popularity of the iPhone if we know for a fact that 9.9 million units went to Apple in September. That means we got 9.9 million iPhones made in September.
Mm-hmm.
That means we got 9.9 million in the form of demand via September.
Mm-hmm.
So that means we got some iPhones in the world.
Right.
That's math, Will.
Yes. Business.
What was that?
Business. It's business. Things are happening. You're going to break that chair.
Willie do. Willie do. Am I right, though? Willie do? Unbelievable. So the numbers are up. iPhone appears to be doing well. The other companies that Apple buys displays from, LG and Sharp, I guess they're not capable for whatever reason of delivering. Samsung has figured out the OLED panel thing. They provide the 90%. They're sitting in there. They're in the boardroom. They're celebrating Apple's successes. Isn't it beautiful, Will? It's like a happy cooperation makes it happen. Cooperation.
Where's that from?
You got to finish the thing. Working together. That's how it ends.
Oh,
I don't know.
okay.
It's Sesame Street or something, man.
Sesame Street.
I don't
really?
know. I don't know where you grew up.
Oh.
Thought you were around the corner.
You don't want to know.
Yeah. Anyway. Sesame Street. I don't know. Is it Sesame? It might not even be Sesame Street. Could be wrong. Kirk doesn't know either. Vin? Cooperation? Vin? He's running out the door right now. How dare you? Oh, well, let's get to the bottom of it. I mean, you can't leave it like that.
All right.
Cooperation song. Sesame Street. No, we can't. You can't. It's copyright. It's everything. We can't. Go look it up. It's a hot track. I believe it inspired Kanye's latest record, actually.